Hello, my name is Derek Anchan, and in this class, I'm going to share with you skills that will help you complete writing jobs for businesses quickly and quite effectively. I've been writing content online for the past 15 years. Some of the businesses I've written for include this class is for anyone who wants to write professionally but needs a practical system that helps overcome difficulties that crop up in a professional writing environment. When I started writing online, all I had was my curiosity to learn about new technologies that emerged over the internet. My confidence as a writer grew when an essay I wrote for my son won him a prize at school. So you see, just about anyone who is passionate about writing can start without having to scale a steep learning curve. Writing for businesses taught me how important it was to have a system in place, a writer's toolkit that contained everything I needed to write about my topic. Time is of great essence when you take up writing gigs as a professional writer. There is a need to let your creativity flow without losing focus. Technicalities may slow you down unless you come up with a system that allows you to deliver quality content every time, all the time. In this class, I'll be sharing a simple system that you can adopt immediately. It gets rid of issues related to the dreaded writer's block and is a great time saver. Writing for businesses is a bit different from writing stories or even essays. You have to be a content writer, a copywriter, a storyteller, and also someone who can create content that people find online quite easily. We'll go through the process of finding content that subject matter experts or SMEs appreciate. We'll then compile content that businesses hire writers to write for them. We'll follow a system that simplifies this whole process. By the end of this class, you will have a system in place that will help you write for startups as well as established companies. So without wasting any more time, let's start. Join me in the first video lesson where I share with you research skills that make the process of finding relevant content easy and quite rewarding. See you on the other side.